Hi guys, it's Jordan Moorhead with the Moorhead team. And today I'm going to talk about the question I get all the time. And it says, but property taxes are too high. Things are too expensive for property taxes. How am I supposed to afford that? I get that question all the time. I get that question, why would I move to Texas? Property taxes are crazy. I want to go over something really quickly about property taxes in Texas. So if you're looking at property taxes in Texas, you're assuming, hey, let's just assume your family makes $150,000 a year. Your property taxes in Texas are $8,000 for a $500,000 house. That's a lot. That's a whole lot. Well, I completely agree. Property taxes are expensive in Texas. You know why property taxes are expensive in Texas? Because we don't have any state income tax. So if you're coming from another state, you're paying income tax. They're collecting money that way. And they're also collecting property taxes from you. So maybe your current property taxes on your $500,000 house are $5,000. You say $8,000 is a lot more than that. It's super expensive. Again, completely agree. Property taxes are high. You know why they're high? Because we don't have any state income tax and we have low corporate tax. So all these businesses can move here and create high paying jobs for people to not pay state income tax. So we're just going to assume that you live in California right now. Lots of people moving to Texas and California. If your family makes $150,000 a year in California, we're also going to assume that your property taxes are $5,000 a year. You're paying $51,293 roughly against, let's just say $50,000 roughly in property taxes. Again, wrong. Income taxes, $50,000 in income taxes. You're also paying $5,000 in property taxes. So we got $55,000 coming from California, assuming that your family makes $150,000 a year. Now you move to Texas, you've got that $8,000 property tax bill. That's a lot. So we're 55. In Texas, we're at 38,000 for income tax. 38,000 for income tax. We're gonna subtract a little bit of money here. We're gonna say your 38,000 plus your $8,000 in property tax. So your total tax bill is $46,000 a year in Texas. 46,000 compared to 55. Obviously, your total tax burden is a lot cheaper here in Texas. And the more you go up in California, the more expensive it gets. So let's assume you keep getting raises, you get in those higher tax brackets. Before you know it, you're paying $70,000, $80,000 a year in tax for your family. You buy a nicer house, property taxes again go up. Just telling you guys, don't just pay attention to the sticker on things. Property taxes are high here, but we also have no state income tax. We have a really low tax burden in general compared to other states. So you're going to save a lot of money moving to Texas compared to living somewhere else, living in one of these Midwest states or living in California. So think about everything when you're thinking about your move. Texas has a lot going for it. We've got beautiful weather. We've got affordable housing, and we also have no state income tax. Thanks, guys.